speaking today with Anthony Cirillo. He's president of the Aging Experience. Anthony, please talk about how the patient experience impacts patient safety.
Well, certainly. A lot of people think that with the move toward patient and resident experience that it's all about satisfaction and making people happy. And it's another program of the day that people are going to bring in. And in actuality, when you start to improve the patient experience, a lot of times you're getting to systemic issues like communication issues, listening issues, and they start impacting the experience in terms of patient safety and patient quality. In fact, there's been a couple studies. A Massachusetts General study actually looked at 55 studies that link patient experience with patient quality. And they basically concluded that there's absolutely a link between the two, and that in the pillars of quality, when they talk about that patient satisfaction and the experience needs to be a central pillar of quality. And in fact, Press Ganey did a study as well. They looked at readmissions, obviously a big hot spot. Sure. And they call it value-based purchasing. I'm sure your viewers know that term. In value-based purchasing, there's a set of clinical scores and a set of satisfaction scores that people grade, and then a healthcare provider is rewarded or penalized, basically how they perform. Well, they looked at readmissions in terms of each of those separately. So when they looked at clinical improvement and its impact on readmissions, they found there wasn't any. That even if you improved the clinical pieces, readmissions held the same. If you actually improved satisfaction, readmissions in this study went down to the tune of like 280 million. I don't know what the sample size of organizations they studied, but here's the catch with that is that if you logically bring that out to its conclusion is that when people are more highly satisfied, there's probably a better trust factor between the provider and the patient or the resident, which means they're probably going to listen to you better, communication's going to be better, comprehension's going to be better. And in this case, when you look at discharge planning and handoffs and care, the more you build that trust and that communication, the better they're probably going to follow instructions and hopefully not be readmitted. And so there's absolutely a positive correlation between the experience, quality, and safety, and satisfaction as well. It's important, but you have to put it in context.
Beautiful. Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you.